Alright, so here we are on the submit page of Shout, and I just wanted to run through really quickly how easy it is to submit something to Shout. The first step is just simply to find something cool. So I have the Toy Story 3 trailer here, and all I'm going to do on YouTube is just highlight this and right click and copy the URL, come back to Shout here, and just paste it in. That's all you need to do. So now you can move on down to the body, and the minute you leave, the minute you start working on something else, start to think, and it confirms the link. It even pulls, in this case, not for every page, but for a lot of them, it'll pull the title for you from the page. And you can edit it if you want. I don't really need this stuff here. Then you can go to your body and just say, and just put a little body in there. Then you just come down to categories, and it's pretty self-explanatory, just whatever makes the most. So TV and movies obviously makes a lot of sense for this. Then we get down to the spiff up your Shout section. You can add videos or photos to your Shout. Now in this case, the system actually went to YouTube and found a photo, a screenshot from the video for you automatically. So if you'd like to use that, it's easy. Just check this. If you wanted to have more, you can have up to 5 photos on your Shout. Or if you say you didn't want this one, you could easily click upload and go to your computer and pick an image, like say this dude, and just hit select, and it will think and upload it, and then it'll add it right here to this list, and you can check it or uncheck it. We don't really want him on this Shout. It doesn't make a lot of sense, so I'm going to uncheck him. If you don't want any photo for the Shout, it's easy. You just check this, and it all fades away. But we do, and we want this screen capture that Shout found for us. That works great. As far as video, you can click on the video tab here. Because it's YouTube, once again, it found the embed code automatically for us, which is really awesome. Now, not every page will do that, but in this case it did. Now, if we didn't want to use that, we could go to YouTube separately here with this, and we can pull this window down. And this will pull up YouTube for us, so we could sign in and find a video we wanted to. And the same with Vimeo and with Viddler. But Viddler has a little extra cool ability that if you have a webcam on your computer, you can actually click Viddler, and as it loads up here in a second, you can actually record a video comment right here into Shout using your webcam, which is just so cool. So there's a little bit of a help section here for you to show you how to set it all up, and it just shows to click allow, and second step here is to click OK. And then you'll see me. Here I am. Hey, what's up? And you can record a video comment really easily, and it will just toss it back into your thing. We'll do a separate video on this. But this is really cool. It's really exciting if you just want to put the word out on something. So in this case, we're going to use the YouTube embed code from the video that we found. And that's it. So you're done. You've got a photo, you've got your video, you've got everything categorized and titled. All you do now is hit submit. And it'll think and take you directly to your new Shout with everything ready to go. And it automatically votes for you. So you can click here and people can preview the video, and you can then go over to click on this and share the link on Twitter, log in on Twitter and share it, and have your friends comment on it. So it's really cool, really easy to submit something to Shout. I hope you do it a lot, and I hope you enjoy Shout. See ya.